Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're going to be using the great Divi Supreme modules again in this video today. We're going to create this image to text reveal on hover. Really easy, and that's an eye-catching little feature to have right there. And of course you can link this to anything you want. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the visual builder. Once loaded, let's go down to where we want to work, and I'll just delete this module right here. I've got a row. It's sort of 60-40 with two columns here, and let's just add our little image to text reveal. Now all the light grey modules come as standard with the Divi theme itself. All these dark blue purpley ones come with the Supreme Modules plugin, and there's about 40 of them. So let's have a look. Supreme image to text reveal. Okay, so in the reveal text is where you want to type what you want to say. Or whatever message it is you want to get across. And let's add our image. Yeah, let's pop that one in. Now, link it if you want to link it, that's great. We can link it to anything we want. We'll use the Divi dynamic content. Let's link it to a product. Let's link it to everyday shirts. That's fine. I don't particularly want to put a background in. You won't be able to see the hover text, unfortunately, till we exit the visual builder there. So the only thing I want to do is change that overlay color. It's green at the moment. I'm in the design tab. I'm in overlay. Let's see if there's something more appropriate to what we've been using here. Yeah, that'll work. And the reveal text right here, I think I'm going to make mine semi-bold. I'm going to have it uppercase. I'm going to have it in the middle. And I'm going to have it white. Like I say, I don't think you'll be able to see it till we stop. 22 pixels. It's pretty good. And let's just save it so you can see what we've got so far, and we can tweak it afterwards. So let's exit the visual builder, save our page changes. And there we have it. You can go back in, you can change it, you can put shadow behind your fonts or whatever it is you want to do to them. For me that actually works. I'm just going to add a little bit of box shadow. And I think I might change the column structure to make this one slightly bigger and this one slightly smaller. So let's enable the visual builder again. Once enabled, we'll go down there. And the first thing I wanted to do was change the column structure. So I'm going to go up to the green tab here, the columns, or the row I should say, and change the column structure. Just click on the little icon for the columns there. And I'm going to change that for something that's not quite as wide on the left hand side. There we go, that's almost perfect. And we'll just add a little bit of box shadow to this one. Dark tab for the module, go to design, down to box shadow. It's almost perfect, so we'll just add a little bit to that module as well, and we'll call this done. Design, box shadow, I'll use the same one. Fantastic. Okay, let's save and exit the page. And there we have it. That's a nice little feature right there. You roll your mouse over there, that's going to catch people's eyes pretty quickly. And let's click on it, see if it takes us to our product. There we are, everyday shirts. Fantastic. Great. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. Like I say, we've been using the Divi Supreme Modules plugin today. If you've enjoyed this and found it useful, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.